So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I have a 2012 Chevy Equinox. So I'm going to show you what the brakes metal to metal sound like. So here we go. So that is the front brakes making noise. So I drive like 5 miles per hour and step on the brake, and you hear the growling noise and metal to metal contact. So I hope the brake caliper piston survive, because most of the time they usually go bad. They don't push all the way back. Sometimes it's just stuck right there and you can't push back, so you have to replace the new caliper. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of a short video for today. Please hit the like button for me, and that will help other people to see my video and help to grow this channel. And please subscribe to my channel. More and more video will coming out. Okay, Luke is out. You have a blessing day. Bye for now.